Commissioning, whenever we talk about commissioning, is the orientation process for QC implementation on the site to make sure we have an end deliver product for the owner across their project to meet their expectations. Commissioning is always announced just before opening data center. However, commissioning starts on the project right before the project starts. So start from the construction phase, going through the acceptance phase and turnover phase. So it's all the way through from the bed package, going through all the construction way through, going through level 2, level 3, and level 4, and the acceptance phase for the turnover to make sure we meet the expectations and turn over the building to the owner for the customer use. So actually day to day on the commissioning activity start in the morning, prep for a daily commissioning meeting in order to track the activity every day to make sure all the vendors, all the subcontractor is meeting the expectations and the day-to-day activity. Then going through the commissioning meeting every day, go through the week work plan, day-by-day activity, track the activity for the day before, make sure it's happening and ensure there's no constraint and nothing is left over, and go through the activity that's been happening today and ensure if there's any constraint and confirm that it will be continue progressing, and just recap and confirm what's going to happen on the second day. Then actually after finish commissioning meeting, we'll go through the normal day. You do some inspections on the site. So the Weitz team have their own level 2 inspections to make sure the gear is ready before any owner goes through the inspections. So actually I love my work as a commissioning manager. I love the execution piece because most of the people think that the commissioning is just happening inside the office on the screens. However, commissioning actually happening inside the field, the execution piece. You see the work is executed, you see the gears is energized, you see all the stuff, the software, the firmware, the upgrade. So you see the stuff working. So you see actually at the end of the day, you see the cables that's pulled, terminated, you see its work and everything was implemented in the site, act as one piece of the gear for helping of the end user. So actually it's interesting. At some point on the commissioning, you see all this happening as it deserves for what you did across all the construction phase. So the end piece of the commissioning is where you see everything is talking together, like two people talking to each other, a group talking to each other. This is the interesting piece when you finish the commissioning. So be happy and proud from what I did as a commissioning manager.